Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can create or back up a chat in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes, write comments after watching this video. And let's get down to our topic, friends. So now I will show you the whole creation process from the very beginning. When you open up WhatsApp, the first thing you need to do is to go down on the right-hand side to Settings. Next, in the Settings, select Chats. Now select Backup. Next, when you enter the chat backup, the first thing you'll see at the top is the date of your last backup, if you already had one. If not, then click Backup Now and you'll start backing up. I can't tell you exactly how long it will take, because if you don't have a lot of information, like I do, let's say, then it will take up to a minute. If you have a lot of information, then it will take longer, so it's individual. What else can be configured here? You can also set up auto backup here. To do this, click on Auto. Then select how often the backup will be created, monthly, weekly, or daily. That is, choose for yourself which option you prefer. Then you can exit. This is also where you can set up your video backup. But right away, friends, I will warn you that if you add video files to your backup, it will increase its size. But if that's important to you, then of course enable this option, like I have, by clicking on this button right here to activate it. That's how, friends, you can quickly and easily back up your chat and WhatsApp app. Hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.